This quick video is about how I milked EURUSD. If you have watched videos on this channel, I have shared with you how EURUSD is one of the easiest pairs to trade. You just need to get an idea of where the US dollar index is going, then go to EURUSD and do the opposite. Yes, trading can be as simple as that, but of course many traders want the complicated stuff so that they can show off that they are cracking some complicated system. The easiest pairs for me, and I believe this should be true for every trader, are the dollar-based pairs. You start by analyzing the US dollar index and you are done 90% of the work. Once you get an idea of where the dollar index is going to be heading, you can find a dollar-based pair like EURUSD, USD-JPY, AUD-USD, etc. and look for a good opportunity to enter. This $2,000 is from a trade I took 3 days ago. I did not need to do anything to it. I just saw that the US dollar index was looking very bearish and I went to my EURUSD, found a good entry point and bought, then waited for the move. Of course, the move did not happen there and there. That is the good thing about swing trading. Someone will be like, so you make a video because you made $2,000 on a 3-day swing trade. Yes, when I started trading just over 5 years ago, I did not think it was possible. But importantly, the purpose of this channel is not to show off, but to help inspire 1 or 2 traders that it is possible if they keep pushing. Regarding how I trade, I will keep making videos, but I have done several videos on this channel already. I use the same approach of supply and demand, or support and resistance with key levels, to trade both Forex and to trade synthetic indices like VIX 75. Watch the rest of the videos on this channel. You will definitely go home with something. If you're also looking for a reliable broker as well as Forex trading systems, indicators, books, and trading robots, see the links in the description box below. I will see you in the next video and happy trading.
Slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this,